Hello YouTubers, and welcome back to Deals Prime Review channel. This is part 3 review. It's an in-depth Antutu benchmark score. We just now got done with the in-depth review for the Zoppo Little Black C2, also known as the Zoppo C2 Platinum. In this review though, we're going to be downloading Antutu benchmark from the Play Store. So this review should probably take about 5 to 6 minutes. So you can grab a bag of popcorn, or you can check out, we have a results, we're going to be uploading a results only review as well, which is only 1 to 2 minutes. It will be embedded inside of our YouTube video description, like the product link, and then our product page will have all the videos embedded. Or you can just go to Deals Prime Review channel on YouTube and then search for it there. Check out part 1, we do an unboxing, show you the accessories in the build. Part 2, in depth, pre-installed apps and web browsing, and this is part 3. So while this is downloading, make sure to like our video. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So it's taking a little bit, it's taking a while for it to download, so maybe a little bit more than 5 minutes. So this is a 5-inch 1920 by 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution screen phone, 5.5 multi-touch, and it's 85% there. This has a 13 megapixel camera on the back, 5 megapixel in the front, and this has been installed, so we can just start this test here. Open. And again, this probably will take about 3 to 4 minutes depending on how fast Antutu runs this benchmark. And we're going to start the test. Some other cool things about this phone is that it's supposed to have a MTK 6589 quad-core CPU, clocking from 1.2 to 1.5 gigahertz. We'll see what Antutu says. It has a dual 3G SIM slots, or dual GSM. So the 3G supports WCDMA 850 and 2100. The quad band is the GSM is quad band, so it works worldwide. US, AT&T and T-Mobile. Canada, I believe it's Rogers, and then there should be a link to the compatibility in the product description. Again guys, thank you for your patience. You can take this time to like our video. So we're at 41%, 47%, so halfway there. You can also take this time to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And again, the product link is inside the description. So this is the 1 gigabyte DDR3 RAM, 16 gigabyte ROM version. And it's running Android 4.2.1 Jelly Bean. Now there is a version that can run the Aliyun OS, but actually a lot of people in the West prefer the Android 4.2. So we'll see that this is probably the 4.2 version. Had the samurais there. It's probably about 80% right now. $87%. So about another minute here, guys. Again, this is a little bit longer than usual, but hopefully that means it's going to have a higher AnTuTu benchmark score. So 87%. It usually it's testing SD card write speed, so this usually does take around 15 seconds to 20 seconds. %. You can count to 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, so it gets a respectable score of 13,544. There it is in big bold letters or numbers. Let's check out the breakdown of this. So that's really small, so I'm going to definitely read this. Small, so I'm going to definitely read this out. 2937, CPU integer 4063, CPU float 2532, 2D graphics float 2532, 2D graphics 718, 3D graphics 2401, database IO 555, SD card write 150, SD card read 188. And we'll check out the info. Sometimes takes a while to show. So Zopo, and it has a 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution screen, quad-core CPU, and GPU is Power VR STX 544p. Check out the system info. Zopo MTK6589 gets clocks in at around 1.5 gigahertz. Again, the screen info. Memory, it's a 1 gigabyte RAM with a 409 megabytes free. SD card, or just the ROM, is 16 gigabytes with 12.7 free. Cameras 12.6 megapixels on the back. Front camera 8. The specs say 5. Android 4.2.1. And this was last updated on June 8th. It looks June 19th. And there should be a product link inside our YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Our YouTube video description. Thanks for watching.